there which you won't notice in a 5 lakh rupee car. This is big. Just stay with me. Kamalji Sarabhat joining us on the broadcast, Member of Parliament, the Lok Sabha. Kamalji ji, thank you for joining us. I want to ask you a very human question. Okay, I mean, we all have families and we all have to budget and we all have to figure out and what to purchase when, which fridge, which car, which TV, when. Are you feeling a palpable excitement that come tomorrow, that people want to go out and shop, that they are feeling a little bit of excited because things are going to become cheaper?
It's a very welcome step of the government, and it's not only one step. Step by step, the government is doing a series of activities which increase the purchasing power and which increase the market growth. Like if we will take an example, in the April month, when we come to know that 12 lakh is the income slab, it was a very good news for all of us. We were very happy. Now, since then, I think government is doing all these things, and the result came now when the GST is almost 90% daily use items, they are under 5%. And most important, that the things which are in daily use, it impacts a lot on the middle class or any class, I say, because it is the maximum part of the budget which we have to spend. So it is a very good news for all of us. And from tomorrow, we are going to realize in our pocket. So definitely, it's a good news for all of us.
But ma'am, the confidence that we have as an economy, but the Prime Minister spoke about the neo middle class. The neo middle class is that the person who's got a lentil wala ghar for the first time, might have got it under Awas Yojana, who's got a nalka for the first time, toilet for the first time, the people whom we described as poor but now have the basic essentials of life, and now they are thinking that I should have a mobike, I should have a scooty, okay, maybe I want to have put a for my wife I want to put a washing machine, or let me buy a TV. This new middle class, how do we ensure that they have the disposable income, because tax cuts are what you go and purchase. Critics will say that eventually they need income.
It's a very good question. If we will just discuss about the income, and we saw the growth of the economy. In last 11 years, from 11th stage to we reached at 4th, and very soon we will be at 3rd. Flyovers are there, tourism is increasing. All these shows that yes, there is a growth in the employment. And now, when Prime Minister is inspiring the country and he's motivating all of us that in the festive season, we have to go for the purchasing. But if we get a chance to get a Swadeshi or homemade items, we have to purchase that. It's an inspiration to all of us. It's a thing that will make our India more economic growth and other things which will help us in future. So employment, country growth, all these are hand in hand in this situation. And that's why I'm saying that it's not one step. Step by step, we are moving forward. In the, I can say, in the era when young people have a lot of thinking about the country and about the employment, about the other things, Prime Minister is giving the leadership to show the path to all of us.
Okay.
So it will be a good opportunity.
Okay, ma'am, before we run out of time, for the people of Delhi, now we've had a GST cut. In Delhi, you guys are organizing a Seva Saptah to celebrate PM Modi's 75th birthday. Diwali is coming up, the festival season literally also begins tomorrow. In creating this opportunity for what the Prime Minister has said, Swadeshi and Make in Bharat, and the retailers putting Make in Bharat, how are you planning to encourage it, in places like your constituency in West Delhi?
In West Delhi, we have planned to visit the market, and we are working to discuss with the RWA, and especially to the persons who has the marketplace like the association, to promote the Swadeshi items during this time. And I think there is no need of promotion, because everybody is from last 2-3 years. We are just, we can see that there is a change in the mindset. So the same thing I'm going to make in my constituency. I will inspire the people to make more purchases on Swadeshi, and obviously to the market associations that to promote the Swadeshi items more.
Okay, take pride in them. Kamalji Selawat, thank you very much for joining us, and we wish you the best.